Linking your bank account to Xero allows for seamless financial management and real-time updates on your transactions. Follow these steps to connect your bank account to Xero. Step 1. Log into Xero. Access your Xero account by entering your credentials on the Xero login page. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to link bank accounts. Step 2. Navigate to the accounting menu. Once logged in, locate the accounting menu on the dashboard. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu where you can select bank accounts. Step 3. Add a bank account. In the Bank Accounts section, look for an option to add bank account. Click on this option to begin the process of linking your bank account. Step 4. Choose your bank. You will be prompted to select your bank from a list of available institutions. Search for your bank and select it. If your bank is not listed, you may need to manually enter your bank details. Step 5. Enter bank details. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account information, including account number and any other required details. Once completed, review the information and confirm the connection. After following these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Xero, allowing you to manage your finances more efficiently.